Alright, so for this mid taper, we're gonna start off with our bald line. Shout out to the Pissed Off Barber for these, they're fire. Go with our shaver. Then our no guard lever open. Then we're gonna grab our number 1 open lever. Just using the corners. Close it. One and a half open, same thing. Remember trying to fade into that weight already.
Yeah, low-key, I see what you do right now. I actually got that too.
We'll grab our trimmers once again. Hit that bottom line. Go in there with our no guard clipper closed or lever closed. And just lever play. Then we got some dark spots up in there, so we're gonna go with our 1 open. Just kind of scoop.
Please like video and subscribe if you want to have great hairstyles or improving barbering skills every day and beat the weekday blues.
And for the C-cut or the hook.
If you would like to learn more about fade and barbering tips, be sure to check out the video that's thumbnail has shown on screen on the link on top of the page or pinned in the comments.